Hi, my name is Freya. I'm from Pearson, and today I'm going to go through Mastering Physics with you. So a little bit about what you'll find in the platform, how to register, and also how you get access to learning Catalytics. But to start, we're going to look at the purchasing options for the textbook. You should be able to find the hard copy print book available at your local QUT bookstore. And if you prefer a digital copy, you can purchase it from the Pearson website. And I've put in a web link here for you to use as a direct link. So what is Mastering? Mastering is an online homework and tutorial system that accompanies the text. Within Mastering, you'll find different features to help you along the way. So keep an eye out for tutorial questions. These have hints and they can help you understand how to approach the question. You may also see wrong answer feedback, and this will help guide you towards the correct answer but without giving it away. And the other thing to keep an eye out for are all the resources you have available in the study area. There's a variety of animations, videos, simulations and practice questions which you can work through in your own time. In terms of the questions, you may see some sort of simple multiple choice questions, but as you can see in this image here, keep an eye out for the hints available. So if you're stuck, you can utilize them before attempting the question. You may also see some which are numerical. So this is a free answer response box where you need to enter the value, but as you can see, the measurement of kilograms has already been provided, so just enter the number. You may also see graphing questions where you have to plot points upon a graph, so make sure you use the tools within the question to complete this. And as I mentioned before, this is the study area. You can study by chapter, there are video tutor solutions and other resources in here which you can use in your own study. So how do you access Mastering? For this course, we've integrated Mastering within Blackboard. So all you need to do to register and to access it throughout the semester is go to your course Blackboard site. It should look something like this. So on the left-hand navigation, you can see the Mastering Physics tool, and then you can go in, and first time when you register, you can use the MyLab and Mastering course home. If it's the first time you're using a Pearson product, please create an account and use your QUT email. If you have already used Pearson products in the past, so a MyLab or Mastering product, you can sign in using your existing account. When creating an account, we recommend that you do use your university email as your username, as it's unique. And then when you're prompted for an access code, make sure you enter this code. This is possibly the most important part of your registration process, but make sure you do not buy access or request temporary access during the registration. And this is what the page should look like. I also recommend that you all check your browser and system requirements, which is also hyperlinked within this slide. This will just make sure that Mastering runs smoothly on your device, and generally speaking, we recommend you use Chrome or Firefox on your laptop. When it comes to learning Catalytics, what you'll see when you cross over to the course home is a small Learning Catalytics icon in the top right-hand corner. So it's pictured here on this slide, and that's where you can go from Mastering into Learning Catalytics. So if you're trying to join Learning Catalytics for the first time, you would go to your Blackboard course site, you can click the MyLab and Mastering course home link, and then this Learning Catalytics, or the LC icon, shown here. If you need help with that throughout the semester, you can always live chat or go to our Pearson support website. You can search popular support topics like forgot my password and things like that. If you need further help, there is a local tech help team, and I'd recommend emailing them at tech.help@pearson.com. And if you do phone them, just be aware they work off Melbourne, Australian Eastern Daylight Time. Sorry, Daylight Savings Time. And thank you for your time, and good luck with your course.